Ready to revolutionize your ride? Meet the Tamobyke V20 Pro, the e-bike that combines power, convenience, and style. The Tamobyke V20 Pro arrives 90% assembled in the box. All you need to do is mount the front wheel, the front fender, handlebars, display, pedals, and optional rear pegs. Inflate the tires to 20 psi and you're good to go. Ride in comfort with the Tamobyke V20 Pro's full suspension and ergonomic seat. Powered by a 750 watt, 2000 watt peak rear hub motor, this e-bike can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour. With 5 pedal assist levels, a pure electric throttle only mode, and a 7-speed Shimano shifter, the Tamobyke V20 Pro adapts to your riding style. Equipped with a 48 volt 18.2 amp hour removable battery, the Tamobyke V20 Pro offers an impressive range of 30 to 60 miles, depending on your pedal assist level. Fully charge the battery in just 6 to 8 hours and get ready to ride out. The clear LCD display keeps you informed with real-time data on battery charge, speed, pedal assist mode, mileage, and more. The hydraulic brakes provide powerful stopping power even when towing a loaded bike trailer. The sturdy moped-style frame and 20x4-inch tires support a total weight limit of 350 pounds, ensuring a smooth and stable ride for riders between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 5 inches. Safety is a priority at Tamobyke. The V20 Pro features a front headlight, turn signals, brake light, and horn to keep you visible and safe on the road. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, you can ride with confidence knowing Tamobyke has you covered.